Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you Pyrevit. Very interesting tool. Normally we used to work like MVP modeler, or correction wave modeler, or structure wave modeler in collaboration, like server base or BIM 360. So we all know we work with Workset. Here I did some Workset only like furniture, wall, windows, and doors. And mostly it will be hundred of Worksets like Workset for columns, Workset for cable trees. If you are working on the electrical, Workset for cable trees, Workset for sockets, Workset for lights. So in the combined model or working in, when we are working in the coordination model, when you want to modify or when you want to draw something or when you add a new, so you have to go to that particular website. So only way, which I know from here, you have to select the website. If there is a multiple workset, you have to search the workset name one by one, or you have to go there. So now I am in the furniture, it's window and door, but I am want to make another furniture like somewhere here. So this furniture is from the workset furniture. But here you see my workset, but two worksets is we don't do. So make I am serious to see when I click, when if I select the furniture, it will go to Windows and all the furniture are in the furniture website, but this one Windows and door because the active website is Windows door. So let's delete this. So instead of searching, there's one easy way. If you go to the Pyrevit, okay, select the furniture and because I want to active the furniture website. Select the furniture or anything you want to order. Go to the Pyrevit. Here you will see set workset. So when you click set workset, this workset automatically will change the selected item workset. Meaning this item, this furniture belongs to furniture workset. So it will activate the furniture workset. If I select the wall, so select the wall, let's say this one belongs to workset 1. So here for furniture. So again go to the Pyrevit, you can set workset. So this one automatically change to workset 1. So if you create similar CS, when you draw, or if you select, and you will see it goes to workset 1 because the current two workset is workset 1. So it's very easy. So I will do more a better way. So type KS in the keyboard shortcut and type set workset. So you can assign or you type workset. So you will see set workset here. So you can assign a keyboard shortcut SW1. I used to set this one assign. Okay. So now I want to activate the furniture workset. Just select SW1. The furniture will come with me. It will make your work very easier and faster. In your coordination, it will be very, very helpful. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe my channel so we can learn together. Until next video, bye.